Hey there, savvy planners. Today we're diving into a powerful tool in estate planning that you might not know about, the Pourover will. Hi, I'm Chuck Roulet. I'm an estate and long-term care planning attorney licensed to practice in both Florida and Minnesota. So what exactly is a Pourover will? Well, think of it as a safety net for your estate plan. It works alongside a revocable trust to ensure that all of your assets end up exactly where you want them. So if you were to create a trust and forget to put an asset into it, or later purchase additional assets that you forget to title in your trust, a pour-over will can put those assets in your trust after you pass away. Otherwise, the probate court would actually determine who receives those assets. So here's how it works. First, you want to make sure you create your trust and transfer most of your assets into it. Once the trust is created, you also create a pour-over will that names your trust as the beneficiary. So that way, if you forget to transfer some assets into your trust, the pour-over will catch these quote unquote forgotten assets. Then, when you pass away, any assets not already in the trust are poured over into it, hence the term a pour-over will. Once in the trust, these assets are distributed according to your wishes as expressed in your trust instrument. Now, why would you care about a pour-over will? Well, let's break down the benefits. 1. Simplicity. It ensures that all of your assets end up in one place, your trust. 2. Privacy. Unlike a regular will, your trust remains private. Only the assets in the pour-over will become part of the public nature. Flexibility. It catches any assets you might forget to add to your trust over time. 4. Peace of mind. You know that all of your assets will be handled according to your wishes because they end up in your trust. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, there are a few things to consider. 1, the assets that go through the pour-over will still need to go through probate. However, rather than the court determining who receives those assets based on state law, they're poured back into your trust to be distributed according to the terms of your trust. 2, it adds another layer to your estate plan, which means more careful management. 3, there might be a delay between your death and when assets are transferred to your trust because, again, we have to involve the probate court for the forgotten assets. So is a pour-over will right for you? Well, it might be. If you have a trust and you value privacy, you're going to want the pour-over will alongside of it as a backup. You want to simplify things for your trustees and beneficiaries, and you're worried about forgetting to transfer new assets into your trust over time. Now, here's the most important part. Setting up a pour-over will isn't a DIY project. It requires careful planning and should be done with the help of an experienced estate planning attorney. They can help you both create or update your revocable living trust, draft the pour-over will so it works correctly, and ensure that everything is signed and notarized correctly. Finally, review and update your plan regularly. Remember, a pour-over will is more than just a legal document. It's a powerful tool that can provide peace of mind and financial security for you and your loved ones. As you enjoy your well-earned retirement years, isn't it worth knowing that you've done everything possible to protect your legacy? Now, if you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel to be notified of our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into estate planning strategies. And if you have questions, post it below and I may answer it in an upcoming video. Now, lastly, here's something you don't want to miss. I'm actually going to be hosting a free online masterclass where I'm going to reveal insider strategies I use with my private clients. Now, here's just some of what I'm going to reveal. 1, how to make it as easy and inexpensive as possible for your family to manage your affairs if anything happens to you. I'm going to talk about how to create effective wills, trusts, financial powers of attorney, and healthcare documents. I'll discuss how to minimize or avoid estate taxes. Finally, I'll reveal some strategies you can use to protect the money you leave for your children from divorce, lawsuits, or even poor money management. Don't miss this opportunity to gain the knowledge that could save your family thousands of dollars and countless headaches. Sign up for the masterclass using the link in the description below. Don't leave your family's future to chance. Take the first step towards securing your legacy today. With the right planning, you can ensure that your hard-earned assets are protected, your wishes are honored, and your loved ones are provided for no matter what the future holds. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in either the masterclass or an upcoming video. Be well.